Hello friends, how are you? Friends, this is Tanmoy Banerjee and once again welcome back to my art YouTube channel called Easy Learning Art with Tanmoy. Friends, today I am going to paint a nature-based scenery with the help of acrylic color, and I am going to use these acrylic colors on canvas. I'm going to show you that which acrylic color I'm going to use. I'll show you. This is the one from Faber Castell. I'm going to use this to draw this picture, to paint this picture. I hope you will enjoy this process. To know more about this process, please stay tuned till the end of this video and don't leave the video in between. Then your knowledge will be incomplete and you won't be able to know what is the exact procedure to paint with acrylic color on canvas and how to draw a nature based scenario. Okay, so on this note I would like to say, please stay tuned, keep supporting my channel, and if you like this video then don't forget to hit the big fat thumbs up. Okay, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel, provided if you are an art lover, if you want to learn about art, please do subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon to get my future works notification. See you in the end of the video. Hey friends, the job is done. I'm going to show you the result, how it has come out. Isn't it nice? So I hope that you have liked this video, you have liked the method which I have shown in this video. If you have liked it, if you have really enjoyed this content, then please give me a big fat thumbs up, which is like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my videos with others. That is very important.